Good morning to everyone. We are sitting in top of the Hanuman Temple and see here a big monkey and a small monkey on the top. How do you feel now?
I don't know what he's doing.
He's cleaning your head. A lot of animals in your head, you know. You don't care, you don't take care of
He's
yourself.
eating something.
He's taking all cleaning your head very nicely. Did you like it?
No.
Did you love it? One more monkey came. Hey. Competition now? Don't make any competitions.
What is he doing?
He's cleaning your head. This is a baby monkey or big monkey, you know? Where is that other baby? Where are you? See? It's cleaning all your head. Do you like it?
Yes. It's like doing this.
Usually they clean all the heads inside if there is anything else, you know? This is a little bigger. What's going on today with monkeys? Are you scared?
No.
No?
I don't like the big one so much.
But they're nice. They're cleaning all your head now today.
God.
How come they didn't feel like to clean your head?
Oh God.
Oh my God, right. Hey, go. Oh no.
Leave now.
Oh, just sit.
Okay.
What are you doing? Sitting on my